I'm Nick. I'm the customer experience team leader. Current kit is Nikon D850, 35mm 1.8 Nikon, 60mm 2.8 Nikon macro. Dream kit would be Nikon D850, probably paired with 50mm 1.8. So the D850 for me is like kind of the ultimate DSLR for the way that I shoot. Just the amount of info that you can get into that sensor. For someone like me who's not the best photographer in the world, I benefit from good tech, because the better the tech, the better I look. In terms of favourite photographers and influences, I'd say I'm probably more influenced by filmmakers than actual photographers. So two that spring to mind would be Stanley Kubrick and Wes Anderson. I think Kubrick, especially the way that he framed his cinematic shots, were very much in the style of a static painting or static photographs with very little camera movement. And that aesthetic is just something that really appeals to me, and I think has been a big influence on the way that I frame my own shots. If I could shoot anywhere in the world, it would probably be Angkor Wat in Cambodia, simply because you've got that combination of kind of wild rainforest encroaching on this ancient man-made structure. You've got this incredible light kind of breaking through, dappling through the trees, and just all these rich earthy colours, just incredibly evocative for me. In terms of where I'd like to go in the future with my photography, for me it really is just a hobby. It is something which maybe opens up opportunities to go places that I wouldn't necessarily go by myself. It gives me a little bit more of an impetus to travel, and just to go through experiences and capture experiences that generally I wouldn't necessarily do on my own. And then it's always nice sort of sharing that with my friends.